And here, and then
Yeah, I think you're pushing too hard.
fucking glass cracked, bro. I'm like, what the hell?
Got it, right? You want to explain to chat what happened real quick?
Do I have to, bro?
Or should we just show them? Alright, yeah. You don't have to say it.
Yeah, let me shine some light on.
I think... What happened? What happened?
The glass was very weak that day.
He hit a bird. Dude, shut up, kid.
Yeah, I hit a fat ass dude.
No!
Alright, well, you guys are edging me so much right now.
Can you explain to us real quick what you're gonna do?
Alright, so we're doing the Altis taillight mod on my USDM 07 Corolla. And I'm gonna just get started on that now. You guys don't get to see. Never mind. Wait, how the fuck do I get this?
Oh?
Yeah. Just took some persuasion. 10 size socket.
Dude, all the way touching. What?
Bro's gonna cancel our career before it starts.
You know, we're doing this on an incline, you know? Look at this.
Yeah, but how we talk to each other, we're never gonna get monitored.
Imagine rolling. Look at these old taillights.
How old these taillights are, they're pretty good condition.
And look how beautiful these ones are.
Dude, can this freaking work? Alright guys, we just took out our old headlight housing. Here's the old one.
So
It's in, I mean, dude, that's in pretty good shape for being from 2006.
Are these getting sold or hanged up?
These are getting saved for when I sell this car. Because I will not be giving these away with the new car. But what's really nice is it's a flush fit. Man.
Wait, this is like a Mark II now. It looks like the Mark II taillight. Door.
Wait, I'm surprised that the fitment is so flush.
Yeah, you need to push the. What's this? What's this?
Hey, don't worry about it.
What's this? Nah, Johnny, you just gotta push it in a little.
This is Japanese.
You just gotta push it in a little.
This is JDM.
Yo, Goophilic is that? They were recording you.
Yo, be careful, bro. You might damage the paint. You're not a real car guy if you damage your paint.
Dude, can you touch me?
What?
We're getting this live.
Toyota, what the hell were you thinking making this shit like this?
Dude, come on now. It's not that hard.
Buddy, I don't want to actually scratch my paint.
I'm not gonna lie. I think this is the part that we struggled on when we were installing these.
Yeah,
Like
the trunk.
Because one ball wouldn't line up. Yeah. Oh. Who broke it?
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, no, he didn't. The clip. Yeah, it was the clip. Yeah, it was the clips. That was the hard part. We just broke it, so they don't exist no more. You break both of them? Wait, no. One is fine, yeah.
No, they're fine.
Because one.
This is how it was
yeah,
last time. Too.
Yeah, one needed to be sideways,
Oh,
and
I
then one.
fucked the paint up here. Buddy, I don't want to actually scratch my paint. Well, good thing I have touch up.
No one will see that.
Chill.
Alright, we got one installed.
Oh, this is
Get
how
the
you're
other
supposed
one
to do it.
installed.
Oh, that's so annoying. No, it's like, yeah, it's just you plug in one. I don't know that guy. It's been a good almost 2 hours.
2 hours?
No.
He's not lying. It's 10:43. Oh, don't worry
Hey,
about
dude, what did you say? You said
That's a
10 minute job, right? 10 minute job.
10 minutes. You fucking cursed
10
him.
minutes.
Dude, we haven't even got one side on.
I meant 10 squared.
I mean, we got it, but it's just we tried making it perfect and we got greedy.
Oh yeah.
Dude, the only greediness, like...
Fuck greed. I got lust for those guys. What's
what?
This is the bullshit I gotta deal with.
One eternity later.
After 36 hours, we have finally installed the taillights. What do you have to say?
It was pretty easy, except Toyota, what the fuck were you thinking with these two lights, bro? Why design two push clips? That shit is stupid, bro. Look at all the gear that got lost for this to happen tonight, bro. Look at all this shit. It's a freaking mess. But I mean, shit, it was pretty worth it.
Alright, let's do the grand reveal.
Alright.
Take that. No, come back. You gotta
Oh,
take
yeah.
take the plastic off. Take the plastic.
Why are you recording him?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, got it. What? Oh my. What do you think? Oh my god.
Yeah.
What?
They match up pretty good, not bad.
Amazing.
$200 and 2 weeks later. I'm happy with it. Now the best part, cleaning up all the garbage.
Oh yeah, right here. There's not that much. It's only this guy right here.
Alright.
Hey!